So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stitch videos on TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, you can go to your Play Store, download your TikTok and install it. Now the next thing you need to do is once you download and install your TikTok, open your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, let's wait for it. So waiting for our TikTok, guys, please subscribe, it helps a lot. Now let's go down. Let me go back. This is our TikTok now. Now is it now what you need to do is if you want to stitch this video, now what you need to do is just click on the video, then you click on the share button here for you to be able to stitch. Once you click on this your share button here, what you need to do is just go down here. You are going to find stitches, and this is it. This video is currently not stitched. They said the song is its license for these features. What you need to do is go and find another video. Okay, now let me find this video now, this one now. Let me click on this. Just make sure you click on this your share button. Let's click on the share button. Let's find. Now click on share and let's go and find the stitch. You can see this one is available for stitches. Just click on the stitches. Then it means that for this video now, for you to stitch, let's wait for it and see the same. Try it. Next. So once you trim it to the level you want, you can just click on next. It's processing. Let's for it to process finish. And once it has processed finish, you can add another little videos to it. Now you can see you can just add a little video to it. You can see just add it to it. So you can also choose any video you want to add, but I'm just going to use this one now for you to see what I'm talking about. So you can just add the video together with it. Once you're done, just click on next. Okay, let's wait and see. Click on next. You're not gonna even fail. Once click on next, you can see you can just write anything there. Just stitch with this. Once you're done, you can see so the two video is going to play together, and once you're done, just click on your post. Now they say accept confirmation and post this video. That means the music just click on music usage confirmation, then click on, let's say, post video, and I'm going to play it for you to see now. Okay, I think there's loading fail. They say by checking the box you confirm that okay, that means you have to have access to the music. So guys, it's very simple. I'm going to go back now and want to just make sure you have access to the music used on the background. So if you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and you can drop any comments there. I'm gonna show you everything more you need. Thank you guys.